Hi. Hi, everybody. Oh. Hi, everybody, and welcome to Grandpa's Story Time. It's Thanksgiving, and my granddaughter, Elena Jane, has come to visit. And we are going to read a story for you guys called Sneeze, Big Bear. Sneeze. You ready? Let's go. The wind whipped through the autumn woods and swirled to the spot where Big Bear stood. She swirled the leaves right off the trees, just as Big Bear let out a sneeze. You see it? See the Big Bear sneezing? You see him? The wind said, "Bear, can't you see? The leaves flew down because of me." Bear said, "Wind, it wasn't you. The leaves fell down when I said, achoo." Big Bear tried to nail the leaves back using a hammer and some tacks. The wind kicked up and raced to the sky, swinging down low and up high. Lou, can you tell them to be quiet? She said, "That bear knows nothing at all. I dropped the leaves because it is fall." Big Bear walked as the cold wind blew and came to a tree where apples grew. Anthony, can you ask them to be quiet for a second? Just as Big Bear let out a sneeze, branches shook in a very strong breeze. Come on over here. Read this story with your grandpa. "Oh my," said Bear with an unhappy frown, watching the apples drop to the ground. He knew as they fell with a thumping sound that sneezing had made them all fall down. The wind said, "Bear, can't you see? The apples dropped because of me." Bear said, "Wind, it wasn't you. The apples fell when I said, achoo." He put the apples on a branch of a tree, stacking each one carefully. I gotta show him the book. The wind swirled round the forest glen, dipping and whipping back again. She said, "That bear knows nothing at all. I dropped the apples because it's fall." Big Bear lumbered down to the lake. 20 geese rested, not one awake. You want to show them? Geese are sleeping. This girl is the happiest baby you will ever meet in your life. When she goes into a room, she lights the room up. You can't believe it. I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. When she goes into a room, she lights the room up. I'm telling you. Just as Big Bear let out a sneeze, waves splashed up like a stormy sea. The geese flew off with a honking sound, flapping great wings above the ground. You see them? Yeah. "Oh my," said Bear as he looked up high. "What have I done?" I said with a sigh. The wind said, "Bear, can't you see? The geese headed south because of me." Bear said, "Wind, it wasn't you. The geese flew away when I said, achoo." You see the bear? Okay, you ready to finish it up? The wind spun round the autumn woods, then circled back to where Big Bear stood. She yelled, "Big Bear, I've had enough. I'm tired of this crazy, ridiculous stuff." Wind took a deep breath and let it out. With a whirling, twirling, mighty shout, I whipped the leaves right off the trees and dropped the apples whenever I please. Yeah, we're almost done. We're almost done. Let's change the page here. Ready? I scare up the geese before they freeze and tickle your nose to make you sneeze. Let's change the page. I do it all on the autumn breeze. Let's change the page. Let's change the page. Big Bear listened and scratched his head. You could have told me before, he said. The wind's deep sigh shook the sky. Bear said, it's time to say goodbye. I'll show him the picture. Ready? Let's bring it on home now. You ready? It's the ending. It's the ending. He ran to the safety of his den, deep in the heart of the forest glen. Suddenly, the door slammed shut. Big Bear's eyebrows shot right up. Okay. I got the last page here. Ready? I think this is the last one. Let's see what they say. He jumped in bed and covered his head. I know my sneeze didn't do that, he said. It's only the wind on a blustery night, so no more sneezes. And he blew out the light. Just in time. Sneeze, Big Bear. Sneeze. The end. Okay. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Grandpa's Storytime wants to say goodbye to everybody. Elena Jane, say goodbye and happy Thanksgiving. We love yous all. We love you. Mwah.